Hello guys, another episode sweet and sour unboxing.
The sweet and sour.
Hello guys, another episode sweet and sour unboxing.
Unboxing Titan. We have a pressure washer. I know you can wait.
Can't wait, shall we?
Yeah. I have to be careful.
Yeah, I'm holding a knife because that's what I found.
So this is a review.
We have our instructions.
Instructions. Manual. You always read it. We have some screws. I believe it's for the wheels.
We have
This is the this is the circle washer. So
I believe this is where it stands.
So yes, this is the circle washer. We're gonna open this.
Oh.
Looks like it's quite easy to assemble.
Instructions.
Yeah, you put it in and you use the nut to fasten it in. By the looks of it. There it is, and you tight it in. We will see. Might need to. No, it looks like it's spinning.
That's ready part. Well, I found one wheel.
One wheel.
We've got our hose over here.
So it's a 0.5 pp. I believe it's a recycled plastic. This is the high pressure hose.
You can have a second wheel if you like.
Yeah, they look like they click on.
They click on. This is another. We'll find it later.
So this is why you need all the screws.
We have the handle of it.
Yep. It's like DIY.
I believe that's the.
Yeah. It has a quick release
Oh, yes.
system.
Yeah. That's definitely the.
So do you want to
Assemble it,
do
of
the
course.
other?
Of course I want to. I think it not clicks in here. I think I'm missing a part. It doesn't look like.
Let me see. Yeah, it is going like that. Yeah, it has to.
It has another part somewhere.
There it is.
Okay. So now we can pressure wash.
Yeah.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Got some more bits and pieces that belong to the assembly part.
We're gonna lose things.
We're not going to lose anything. Here we have.
This is the.
I think that's.
This is the filter. It has an integrated filter for the water because the piston is sensitive. Okay, this is the bearing jet.
I can't wait. As you can see, I'm already checking in the back.
And this thing, by the looks of it, I'm not completely sure, but it looks like it's you can put. Yep, you can use your. How you say that? The soap.
Oh yeah, you can use it as a. Yeah, you can wash with it too.
So you can wash your car.
Yeah. This is something that you
This
need.
is the adjustable. So you have 3 nozzles. You have the one that you can put soap to your car. I don't know if you can see me. This is the bearing one, which is a high-speed one, so you can clean things. And this is the adjustable one.
And now we go to the main part.
Yeah.
It has quite a long wire, I would say. Not really heavy, as you can see.
It's 10 kilos, but you're strong.
Could be that. Just do it the easy way.
So I'm searching for the canister for that jet. Has to be somewhere.
It has. Here you put the water. Can I please first unbox it?
Yeah.
Put that there so it doesn't fly everywhere.
So let me see. Yeah, this is the part you use to soap your car.
Yes.
So you can clean it. So you put the hose there. You click it in and you put it in front of the pressure washer and you clean your car. Nice.
I'm just investigating everything.
So on the another model, on the 2200 parts, some customers said that the system was at the on position. In ours was closed.
That's off.
And this is the locking mechanism for the hose.
Oh.
It says it makes 93 decibels. We will see.
We will try it out.
So let's assemble the system and let's try it out. With all the piping and everything. It's quite hard
It's hard
to put it together.
so we can wash.
And a tip from blowing because there is a hard screw on the back that supports the machine to stay up.
This is that part. Do not put the wheels on before you actually get the front part on, because you will have to take the wheels back up, and it's quite hard.
And put the wheels last.
Yeah.
So
Let's go and power it up.
no, you're gonna power it on, and let's see how it goes. Come on, Zoe.
Let's see. Try a little. Sorry, Dee.
Let's
As
see.
you can see straight away, there's a difference. I'm not going to press it, don't worry. As you can see straight away, there's a difference with a few seconds of it. So I have a new toy, and I'm just going to spray the wall. Maybe just go a bit back. Yeah, it's my new toy. Keep away from me now.
There is a. Yeah, we have bells. Enjoy the.
And now you can come and see. You saw how little I've actually used it. again you can see how different it looks. So that.
Yeah.
I just did a little corner, a few seconds of pressure in it.
All right.
No soap, no nothing.
So let's go to here. So recommendations.
I highly recommend it. It's easy. It doesn't pull your hands like lots of other products. This type, when you start, it just goes like, oh, and pushes you.
Yeah.
It's easy to use. You saw how little I actually used it, like few seconds, and I get this result. So I highly recommend it.
Okay. So what a huge difference. Look at that. This is how it was. This is how it is now.
The sweet and sour.